Good morning. It's Saturday, April 14th, 2018. Richard Novey here with HomeSmart Realty West. I'm in an open house. You might have asked yourself, why real estate, Richard? Why did you go into real estate? Well, a lot of reasons. I've always enjoyed sales. I've always enjoyed interacting with people. And of course, the money's always good. But at the same time, I'm working with a first-time home buyer right now, Peter and his wife, and they're buying. He's here from Poland. He's a car mechanic, and you know what? We're going to get him into his first home. And the joy to see a couple's face when they buy their first home, that's really good stuff. Anyway, today I'm at a little higher model home. This is a custom-built house in Poway. You know what? This house is huge. It's 5,409 square feet, 5 bedrooms, an office, and 6 baths. I've been here for a couple of weeks now, but it takes a little longer to get these big properties sold, and we're just going to keep doing this until we get it sold. Now, what's nice is we're one light from the Poway Titans, the high school and the track and the theater, all of that. The next light down is Poway Lake. We also have the Poway Community Arts Center. This house is on the market for $1.85 million. Come down and see me. It's Saturday. I'm here today and tomorrow from 10 o'clock till 4 o'clock. We're going to get this thing sold, and I look forward to seeing you, the beautiful job these guys have done in putting this house together. Richard Novey, HomeSmart Realty West, 323-632-8582 for all your San Diego North County needs.